Kate Middleton's children have finally replaced Meghan Markle and Prince Harry. The event of recent months have shown that the future of the Sussex couple is under threat. The couple quickly left for California after the end of the mourning event. It became clear to the people that the death of the Queen didn't help to alleviate the difficult situation in the royal family. The new king seeks to change the foundation of the English monarchy. He believes that now they have to restore the shaken authority, the Windsor. That's why it's assumed that the place of Harry and Meghan, who left the palace, will be occupied by the offspring of the Welsh couple. Thus, the popularity of the disgraced couple may fall to critical levels. After all, there's very little time left until George and Charlotte begin to accompany parents. Do you think the children will be able to fully replace the Sussex couple?